Do you know where we are? Come with us on a journey through the path of the Harry Potter saga, a magical place here in England that captures the hearts of fans of all ages. We are at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, the making of Harry Potter, in Leavesden, just outside London. This isn't a traditional theme park, but rather a one-of-a-kind experience that takes you behind the scenes of the beloved films. Right from the start, the magic begins. The massive doors swing open to reveal the Great Hall of Hogwarts. With its long wooden tables, floating chandeliers, and the original costumes worn by the actors, it feels like stepping straight into the movie. Next, we step into the dark and mysterious Forbidden Forest. Surrounded by mist and shadows, we come face to face with Aragog, the enormous animatronic spider, and even bow to Buckbeak the hippogriff, who responds with lifelike movements. The immersion is simply breathtaking, and then comes the Hogwarts Express, waiting proudly at platform 9 3/4. Visitors can step inside a carriage, reliving the moment Harry, Hermione, and Ron began their magical journey. For a few minutes, it feels like we, too, are students of Hogwarts. The Harry Potter Studio Tour in London is not just an attraction, it's an unforgettable journey into imagination, a celebration of storytelling, and a chance to relive the magic of one of the greatest sagas of our time. A highlight for every fan is walking down Diagon Alley. The colourful shop fronts of Ollivander's Wand Shop, Flourish and Blots, and the Weasley Twins Joke Shop make it feel as though we're really shopping for our Hogwarts school supplies. The tour reaches its climax with the spectacular Hogwarts castle model. Used for aerial shots in the films, it is an enormous, intricate masterpiece illuminated with magical lighting. Many visitors stop here in awe, taking in the sight of the school that has inspired so many dreams.